Why do birds fly south for the winter? Picture a whimsical travel agency run by a jovial albatross, coordinating avian migration routes as if planning the ultimate vacation. The journey seems obvious, a quest for warmer climes. Dip into the records of this feathery travel bureau, and here's the surprising twist. It's not just about escaping the cold. In this unexpected itinerary, food is the prime motivator. Birds, like savvy travelers, head south to feast on abundant resources not available up north during winter. It's like exchanging a snowy cabin for an all-you-can-eat tropical buffet. This clever migration strategy, driven by sustenance more than temperature, highlights a vital lesson. When it comes to travel, following the food often leads to warmer adventures.